A very good evening to you and welcome to KTN News Online. My name is Wilson Buru. Remember that we have migrated to the web. You can catch us on www.ktnkenya.tv. Let's get right to it. 8 clauses of the Security Laws Amendment Act have been declared unconstitutional by a 5-judge bench at the High Court. Among the clauses declared unconstitutional were those limiting the freedom of the press and the freedom of expression. The provisions of the controversial law were challenged in court by the Coalition for Reforms and Democracy and the Kenya National Human Rights Commission. Here is Justice Isaac Lenaola delivering that ruling.
And so in the premises, we make the following declarations and orders. Section 12 of the Security Laws Amendment Act and Section 66 of the Penal Code is hereby declared unconstitutional for violating the freedom of expression in the media guaranteed under Articles 33 and 34 of the Constitution. Section 64 of the Act, which introduced Section 30 of the Prevention of Terrorism Act, is also declared unconstitutional for the same reasons. B. Section 34 of the Security Laws Amendment Act is hereby declared unconstitutional insofar as it includes telescopes in Section 2 of the Firearms Act. 3. Section 16 of the Security Laws Amendment Act and Section 42A of the Criminal Procedure Code are declared unconstitutional as they violate the right of an accused person to be informed in advance of the evidence the prosecution intends to rely on under Article 52 of the Constitution. Section 20 of the Security Laws Amendment Act, which amended Section 364A of the Criminal Procedure Code, is declared unconstitutional for being in conflict with the right to be released on bond or bail on reasonable conditions under Article 49(1)(h). Section 26 of that Act, which introduced Section 20A of the Evidence Act, is declared unconstitutional for violating the right of an accused person to remain silent during proceedings. Number F, Section 48 of the Act, which introduced Section 18A of the Refugee Act, is declared unconstitutional for violating the principle of non-refoulement recognized under Article 2, 5, and 6 and the 1951 UN Convention on the Status of Refugees. And lastly, Section 95 of the Act, which introduced Section 95A to the National Police Service Act and the National Police Service Board, is declared unconstitutional for violating Articles 246(3) of the Constitution.